Good day and welcome. My name is Carmen Rus and I'm member of the Argos Association of the Local Certified Guides from Slovenia. Now we're in the beautiful woods and I'm holding in my hand the leaves of the spring flower or plant called wild garlic. All around there is a wonderful garlicky smell, and this plant is one of many that we pick in the springtime. It is very good for health, it's very beneficial, and you can eat it. You can use it for making some soups. That is, you cook 2-3 potatoes, you put few leaves of this and you got it. It's very good for your indigestion, for your metabolism. It lowers the cholesterol you have in your blood. It lowers the temperature if you have any. It has a lot of the calcium, kalium and selene, and it's actually the cleansing plant for the spring season. After the winter sleep, when we are all a bit lazy, a bit non-moving, it helps to cleanse your body. It can be also eaten, so you just take a piece of it, you chew it, and feel, proof, you have it. You just have to take care that you don't eat it before you go to the theater, to the concert hall, or to the place where there are a lot of people, because your breath definitely smells. Behind me you can see the roots of the tree, and here also you can see growing the small leaves of the wild garlic, but at the same time here you also have the nettle. So nettle also one of the other very beneficial plants that we use in our natural medicine and in everyday life. So thank you for joining me in this short clip video. Allow me to say goodbye to you in Slovene language and hope to see you soon in Slovenia. Do svidanja.